Hi, Miss Silbert here, and today I am going to show you how to draw a rectangular prism and also a cube. This is a really helpful basic three-dimensional form to be able to create on paper because so many things are rectangular prisms and cubes. So like this box of Kleenex, furniture, vehicles are basically rectangular prisms, your remote, books, box of cereal, all of these things are rectangular prism shapes basically, right? And so if you can draw this shape, it helps you to be able to draw lots and lots of things out in the world and in your imagination. So the first thing that you want to do, the basic way to draw a rectangular prism or a cube, is you got to draw the face of it first. And so that is step one, to draw the face. And then step two is to draw angle lines that are parallel to each other, that are kind of coming out at the same angle on three of the sides that you see. If this was a see-through object, we would put an angle there too, but we're going to imagine that this is a solid 3D form. And then the third step that you want to do after you have drawn the face of your rectangular prism and you've drawn your angles is you want to draw the back plane. And the back plane is going to be parallel to this line, which means that they continue going in space and they don't touch. And this line here will go back, and these two are parallel there. And those are basically the three steps to drawing a rectangular prism, and the same thing applies to a cube. And let's say with this cube, I'm looking at this one dead on. And this would be, so if I'm looking at it, really it's called like 1-point perspective, it can angle back and go that way also. And then another way you could draw a cube is if you're seeing it on the corner, and this is called 2-point perspective really, but you're drawing it on the corner of the cube, you draw the straight line this way, and then I would draw the lines coming out. So depending on which angle, let's say if I'm looking up at a really tall building, I might see the lines going back in space this way. So rectangular prisms are everywhere. They're really fun to draw, and you can add shading on these and have really start to make it look three-dimensional. So if on this one here the light was coming this way, I could shade in on this side and cast a shadow there. And maybe have a little bit of a light there. All right, so I hope you had some fun watching this video and practicing making your rectangular prisms.